Hi, this is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. Today I'm going to be doing a box opening of Works electric chainsaw, 16-inch bar, 14.5 volt. So I got it from Amazon. Move that out of the way. It came in that big box, and in that big box had this box in it, and I'm going to get it open now. Inside this box is actually the saw. Packing. And it looks like I have got a return saw because my package has already been opened, which is not good. There's a lot of oil in my box. So it looks like this is going back to Amazon because this is a used one.